Okay, let us quickly solve this simultaneous linear equation using the Cramer's rule. You know, normally we can use elimination method, the substitution method to solve this, but let me teach you how to use Cramer's rule to get your answer immediately. Okay, the first thing we get is change. Get your change, and change is simply the matrix of the coefficient of the variable. So I'm having the coefficient of this one is 2, this one is 6, this one is 1, and this one is what? 8. Okay, so the next thing to get this answer is to get the determinant. Just do left minus right. Very simple. Cross multiply, but you must say left first minus right. So this time this left first. Okay, this time this is 16 minus this time this will give you 6, and I'm having 10. Okay, so now the next thing you get is change in x. Change in x simply means now use the equality side to replace that x. That is the meaning of change in x. So you repeat your matrix. Now instead of writing this x side, I will now replace it with this this equal to side. So I'm going to have minus 1 and 2, while this side remain the same, 6 and 8. Okay, you do the same thing again, left, right again. Left first, always start from left before right. This time this will give you minus 8, original minus, this time this will give you what? 12. Okay, so minus this will give you minus 20. Okay, then the next thing you get finally is change in y. Change in y simply means, like we did for x, use these solutions, this equality side, the right hand side, to replace your y. That is the meaning of change in y. Change in y means change your y. Okay, change the y with the equality sign. So I'm going to change, this is the side of y, so I'm going to, the side of x will remain the same, 2 and 1. Then I'm going to change the side of y with this minus 1 and 2. We'll do the same left, right again. Okay, left first. So this time this will give you 4. Original minus, before you say minus, this time this will give you minus 1. Okay, this and this is now giving me 5. Now, very simple. For me to get my x simply means change in x over that change, which is what? My change in x I got as minus 20 divided by 10. So therefore my x is what? Minus 2. Now for me to get my y simply said change in y over that change, which is what? 5 divided by what? The change is 10. So which is what? Half. So that is that. Very simple. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment as well, and subscribe if today is your first day of watching our video. Bye-bye.